Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to obtain your Betterment Hall ticket. First, understand that this ticket is your crucial access pass for an important event or examination. It's vital to know its purpose and any specific requirements. Your initial step is to find the official online portal or website where these tickets are issued. This ensures you start the process correctly and efficiently. Once on the official portal, you will need to log in using your unique registration ID and password. After logging in, carefully review all your personal details displayed on the screen to ensure accuracy. Any discrepancies should be corrected immediately. Then, proceed to download your hall ticket, typically available as a PDF file. Save this file in a secure location on your device. After downloading, it is crucial to print at least 2 copies of your hall ticket, preferably on standard A4 paper. Next, meticulously verify all the printed information, including your name, photograph, and the specific event details. Ensure everything matches your records. Finally, gather any other required documents, such as a valid government-issued photo identification, to present alongside your ticket. On the day of your event, present your printed hall ticket along with your valid photo identification at the designated entry point for verification. It is highly recommended to arrive at your destination at least 30 minutes before the scheduled time to allow for any unforeseen delays. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Following these steps will ensure a smooth and successful experience with your Betterment Hall ticket.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.